Imagine, through food, you can increase your physical energy to a 20%. Yes, you got that right. Today, I reveal to you the 7 foods that can turn a "I feel tired" into a "I'm ready to conquer the world." Let's focus on one fact for a moment. 30% of the world's population admits to constantly feeling tired and friendless. What if I told you there was a way to escape this statistic? And all thanks to food? Energy, the real and lasting kind, is closely related to what, how much, and how we eat. Let's see how to turn a day into a rush. Food is not just a pleasure, it is our fuel, our engine. For this reason, choosing the right foods gives our bodies energy diversity, which can really make a difference in the course of the day. There are foods that, backed by science and research, have been shown to have a real impact on our vitality and energy levels. Let's discover together the 7 foods that help our energy needs, based not on fads of the moment, but on hard data and research. Forget the magic pills, and let's focus on what Mother Nature has to offer. Let's start with a great classic, bananas. They are very sweet and practical, and may surprise you. Bananas are loaded with vitamin BVI, which is essential for the production of certain neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, which regulates mood, and dopamine, which helps us feel more focused. And there's more. Potassium, abundant in this fruit, plays a key role in our energy health. It contributes to electrolyte balance, ensuring that muscles work efficiently, thus reducing the chance of cramping. For the data lovers, a medium-sized banana satisfies 20 to 25% of your daily intake of vitamin BVI and provides 9% of your daily potassium needs. Not bad, right? And if you're concerned about the sugar content of bananas, never fear. Although they contain natural sugars, their low calorie content and rich fiber content keep you full and regulate digestion. So when you feel that tired feeling in the middle of the day, instead of having another coffee, eat a banana. It's a tasty and mostly science-backed way to provide your body with the energy it needs. Continuing to talk about energizing foods, let's introduce chia seeds. You've surely noticed them in many smoothie and yogurt recipes. But have you thought about why they are so popular? Chia seeds are real gems. Loaded with fiber, protein, and omega-3, they offer a steady and sustained release of energy, unlike other snacks, which are prone to quick spikes and sharp drops in blood sugar concentrations. In addition, they are a source of antioxidants fighting free radical damage in the body. What are free radicals? Unstable molecules that cause cellular damage. The antioxidants in chia seeds help fight them, promoting not only your energy, but also the overall health of the body. Their versatility in cooking is another strength. They can enrich smoothies, yogurts, salads, and even desserts. Their mild flavor makes them a perfect addition to a variety of dishes. Think of how your day could start with a chia seed pudding, perhaps paired with seasonal fruits. You'd get a delicious meal, yes, but also a fuel that can sustain you for many hours. Plus, you are offering your body pure, natural nutrition. Let's talk now about salmon. It is among the most appreciated and consumed foods all over the world. Not only because of its delicious taste, it has incredible benefits from a nutritional point of view. This fish, often recommended by nutritionists themselves, greatly boosts energy. It is an excellent source of omega-3, fatty acids essential for the functioning of our brain and cardiovascular system. Eating salmon helps the heart and mind function better. Not only that, it is also rich in B vitamins, which, as we have seen, play a crucial role in converting the food we ingest into energy. They also help keep the nervous system healthy and produce red blood cells, which are essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body. Consider that a 100-gram serving of salmon provides nearly half the daily dose of niacin, a B vitamin essential for energy production. Combine salmon with fresh vegetables or a salad, and you'll not only have a tasty dish, but a mix of energy and well-being. Your body will respond with increased vitality, helping you face daily challenges with an extra edge. Let us now shift our attention to another ingredient: walnuts. These small dried fruits are a powerhouse of nutrients and offer us a number of benefits. Walnuts are among the best plant sources of omega-3 already seen in salmon. These fatty acids reduce inflammation in the body, improving blood circulation, and consequently the supply of oxygen and nutrients to the cells, thus ensuring better energy production. But there's more. Walnuts are rich in magnesium, a key mineral for converting food into energy. If you feel tired or lethargic, in fact, you may have low levels of magnesium. Add a handful of walnuts to your diet and notice the difference. Not to mention the high levels of antioxidants in walnuts, including vitamin E. They help fight oxidative damage in the body, protecting it and ensuring optimal function. Another interesting aspect of walnuts is their ability to support quality sleep. Yes, walnuts contain melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep and wake cycles. And a good night's sleep is critical to ensure that you wake up refreshed and energized the next day. If you're thinking about how to incorporate walnuts into your diet, your options are several. You can add it to salads, yogurt, cereals, or simply consume them on their own as a snack. And remember, you don't need large quantities. Even just a handful a day can offer all these benefits. But there is another food that, though humble, has a significant impact on our energy: eggs. They have enjoyed a bad reputation in the past, but modern science has rehabilitated them, recognizing their value in terms of health and well-being. Eggs are among the most complete sources of protein, and as many of us know, protein is critical for building and repairing tissue, but also for providing energy to the body. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete food in terms of protein. The egg is also a source of vitamin B2, a nutrient that helps convert food into glucose and that the body uses to produce energy. Without sufficient amounts of B2, you may feel tired and lacking in strength. For this reason, it is essential to make sure you have an adequate supply of this vitamin. And let's not forget the yolk. It is often discarded for dietary reasons, yet it is rich in choline, a nutrient that supports metabolism and helps produce energy. You might be wondering, what about the cholesterol in eggs? Recent studies have shown that for most people, the cholesterol in eggs has minimal impact on the cholesterol in their blood. In addition, the ratio of different types of fat in the egg makes it beneficial for heart health as well. Eggs, then, are very versatile in cooking. Hard-boiled, scrambled, used for omelets or for more complex recipes, they are a simple but delicious way to increase protein intake and consequently energy. Now you know that eggs can give you more than just a good breakfast. On this journey, I now introduce you to another superfood, the blueberry. These small fruits, somewhere between blue and purple, are known for their incredible properties. Blueberries are chock full of antioxidants, particularly those called flavonoids, compounds that improve brain function and delay mental decline, keeping you alert and focused throughout the day. And an active mind, as we know, is a sign of an energetic body. But there's more to say. Blueberries are also an excellent source of fiber. They thus help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and dips that induce fatigue. In other words, eating blueberries gives you consistent and lasting energy. And it doesn't end there. Blueberries are also low in calories, making them an ideal snack option. They are also great as an addition to breakfasts, salads, and desserts. Given their sweet, juicy flavor, they are a delicious way to take care of your body and energy. If you are looking for an energy booster, try eating a handful of blueberries. Their nutritional boost may surprise you by giving you the boost you need. And now we come to the last, but by no means least important, food on our list: Greek yogurt. This thick and creamy milk derivative has won many people's palates because of its unique flavor and nutritional properties. Greek yogurt is a rich source of protein. It often offers twice as much protein as traditional yogurt, and as we know, protein is critical for keeping muscles fit and providing energy throughout the day. But what really makes Greek yogurt is the presence of probiotics, microorganisms that keep the gut flora in balance. Good gut health can also positively affect mood, digestion, and yes, energy. In fact, an imbalance in gut flora gives us a sense of fatigue and tiredness. In addition, Greek yogurt is also an excellent source of B vitamins, particularly B2, which, as we have seen, plays a key role in energy production in the body. If you are looking for ways to incorporate Greek yogurt into your diet, the possibilities are endless. You can enjoy it on its own, add fresh or dried fruit to it, honey, and you can even use it as a base for sauces and dressings. Its strong flavor and creamy texture will surely make it one of your favorite foods. In this nutritional journey, we have discovered 7 foods that not only delight our taste buds, but also energize our bodies. From potassium-rich bananas, through chia seeds with their steady energy release, to salmon and its omega-3, nuts and their nutrients, to eggs, blueberries, and Greek yogurt, rich in antioxidants and probiotics. Each food has its own unique way of sustaining us and keeping us active during our hectic days. If you are interested in learning more about this topic, take a look at the books I have selected for you. You can find them in the description. And now I invite you to experiment in the kitchen. Mix up these ingredients and discover new tasty combinations. And if you like to stay up to date on wellness and healthy eating, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below, sharing your experiences or asking questions. Until the next adventure!